हेलो एवरीबॉडी आई होप एवरीवन इज डूइंग वेल एंड आई होप आपने पिछला वीडियो देखा होगा जो कि एपिसोड 1 था. इट वाज ऑल अबाउट द कैरेक्टर्स दैट आई नो एंड यूज एंड व्हाट वाज माय एक्सपीरियंस हैज बीन अबाउट कैरेक्टर्स. इफ नॉट, मैं उसका लिंक इस डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगी. Now, just to keep you informed, the switch between the Instagram to YouTube is because a lot of content is there. एंड जब बिकॉज इंस्टाग्राम पे ज्यादा लेंदी वीडियोस डालना आई डेंट फाइंड इट फिट, सो आई सेड लेट्स hop on to YouTube. It's way better. I can have a lengthier video and way more content for you. So, मेरा पहला इंटेंट ये था कि I will make this video while getting ready, but I was rushing and I was late. So let's make this video while we unwind or get my everyday look off. So basically ये वीडियो किस बारे में है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स गेट इनटू दैट. हमने करेक्टर्स के ऊपर बात किया था एंड देन वी शेयर्ड दैट आई यूजुअली यूज अ डार्कर शेड ऑफ करेक्टर इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग एन ऑरेंज. दैट इज मोस्ट यूजुअल शेड ऑफ करेक्टर्स जो हम ऑलमोस्ट every person in India would be using if they are doing a full face makeup, full fledged makeup, like with the foundation and everything, like a proper long lasting makeup. Now if you want to talk about characters, this next step comes is your concealers and your foundation. Now because मैं already अपना जो concealer है वो ही as a character use करती हूँ. That's from this Too Faced brand. It's a darker shade concealer. It's in chestnut. This is what I use for as a corrector for the darker edges of my face. And then I go about with my foundation. Now, when it comes to foundation, usually you should prefer getting the right shade to your face instead of going for a mix and match, because वो कभी कभी बहुत tricky हो जाता है to mix two foundations and get the right shade to your face. बट आई डू दैट बिकॉज मुझे कहीं ना कहीं लगता है मेरा स्किन शेड सीजन वाइज और बेस्ड ऑन टैनिंग एंड ऑल लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स बदलता रहता है. तो आई प्रेफर गेटिंग टू डिफरेंट शेड्स. And usually when you do clients also, you would prefer doing that instead of taking a specific shade for a specific client, because that would be expensive. So आप prefer करोगे usually be to have two shades. One could be an extreme Indian tone, darkish with a yellow base kind of, and one would be at a whiter tone. So these are the two foundations that I use. Okay, I mix them up as per the shade required. Usually मेरे लिए darker shade भी sometimes if I'm too tan चल जाता है, नहीं चलता है तो I just mix a little bit of this and it works out. Now when it comes to foundation, मैंने बहुत बार notice किया है that मैं I don't really, even though I have a oily T zone, and I have also seen people with a lot of like really requiring that mattifying effect, तब भी जो matte foundation है that has never worked well with me, to be very honest. So I always suggest, based on my experience, completely based on my experience, I always suggest a hydrating foundation. Okay, because I think it's way more for like a vast audience can use it, considering when it comes to mattifying foundation. और अभी जैसे कि trend चल रहा है that you want that glow on your face, that shine that you need, I would say preferably always go for a hydrating foundation for your face. If you have a combination skin, hydrating one works well. If you have a dry skin, obviously hydrating. If you have a very मतलब ऑयली है बट इतना ऑयली नहीं है, आप बेरेबल है, इट्स नॉट टू ऑयली, इट्स जस्ट आफ्टर आवर्स दैट इट स्टार्ट्स गेटिंग दैट ऑयली शाइन ऑन योर फेस, then I would still say go for an hydrating foundation. But as I said, it's experience. किसी किसी का कभी कभी mattifying foundation के साथ बहुत अच्छा experience भी रहा है, तो you should always continue that. But this is on my experience. I would say I've not had that great of experience with a mattifying foundation. Now, after that, let's jump to concealers, keeping it short on foundations because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि there's not much to say. And मैं foundations usually a very thin layer लगाती हूँ to avoid any cakiness or too much of layer. So जब एक hydrating foundation होता है, it's easier to blend, to have a thin layer comparatively to a mattifying foundation. Now, when it comes to another type of concealer, one is you go for your own shade to just hide spots or here or there, go to a darker shade for darker areas, and then comes your last part where you do the highlighting of your T zone, under your eyes. You do a little bit of highlight where you go with a lighter shade, not too light, maybe one shade lighter to your own skin tone. And that is one concealer type that usually people use or go for. I usually go for it only when it's a full face makeup or when it is required. If you require that kind of a coverage in those areas or that kind of shine, then I will go for it. And if I've gone with this on my T zone, I might avoid highlighter in my T zone or may go for a very minimal highlighter on my T zone. Because you have usually, when you do that, your T zone, your under eyes, any area that you want to highlight, make it a little brighter, it's already out there. That is one thing. But when it comes to everyday makeup, I avoid that kind of full-fledged look. So that's it with concealers and foundations. And I have not unwind anything because if I'm talking, I'm not a multitasker. I will not do much while talking. But this is it for now. I would love for your to know your opinion about how you understand this. As I have said it earlier also, मैं ये नहीं चाहती कि ये कोई lecturing हो जहाँ पे मैं आपको बताऊं कि ये ऐसे ही करना चाहिए या ये वैसे ही करना चाहिए. It's completely my experience I want to share because I have done makeup on myself. I've done makeup on different people with different skin type, different textured skin, different skin shades, the colors, the variety. And I have tried them for myself. It's not always a client, but sometimes when you complete a makeup course, you always do it for your own practice because you need to know when such a client arrives, how will you tackle certain problems in your personal experience as well, not just by seeing how somebody else have done it. So I have done this and उस basis पे मैं आपको जो भी बोल रही हूँ मैं बोल रही हूँ. In future episodes, I have a lot more points you, and hopefully, you like the content of the video and the intent behind it. And stay tuned for the next episode. Hope to see you all soon. Thank you so much.